guys, it's Mrs. Lesher. So we're going to be making a little holiday treat today. We have our chocolate kiss pretzels. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get the lattice cut pretzels and you want to start to lay them nicely on your tray. You want them to be separated just enough so that the chocolate, when it melts, doesn't go together. And a fun fact I learned is that kisses and hugs melt at different times. So we need to put them separately on different trays so we can take them out separate. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take your Hershey Kisses and just place one in the center of every pretzel.
Don't talk yet. Keep going.
Okay, so now we're going to go put these in the oven at 170 degrees for about 4 or 5 minutes. So now I'm going to put one little M&M on each one and kind of squish it down so that they melt. And then we let them cool and we can give them out as gifts or whatever we need to do. And enjoy. On behalf of RCTV and Springford, we want to remind you to always wash your hands and clean all surfaces prior to cooking. Have a great day.